I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Let's cook. Are you hungry? I really hope this works. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Raquel. It has been a while, I know. I just wanted to use the holidays to actually relax. Also, I did lose my camera, so if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I did make a whole video on it. Today I'm actually using the GoPro and I'm using my phone for the food so I can record that like normal. So hopefully this turns out okay. This is so weird. I cannot see my face, so I have no idea what I look like. I'm really self-conscious about how this is gonna come out. Oh my God. So I asked you guys in a poll on YouTube what you would want to see on the next Cooking with Raquel episode. Stir fry one. Today we're gonna make hibachi chicken fried rice. I used to frequent Konki. If any of you are familiar, it was in Raleigh. They had a couple different locations and I was obsessed with this place. Like I was there almost every week because I just love hibachi style anything. It tastes so good to me. That's when I decided I wanted to start making it for myself. I kind of picked up on how to do it just by watching the chefs because you know, when you go to those places, they have like the table and the grill is like in the middle of the table, so you can literally watch what they're doing. For hibachi fried rice, all you really need is chicken or whatever meat you want to use. You can use shrimp or steak. The main flavor in hibachi is soy sauce. There is a difference between hibachi and teriyaki. Hibachi uses soy sauce mainly as the flavoring or the sauce. Teriyaki uses teriyaki sauce. I really like my little cooking show that I put on for you guys. Am I annoying? Like, I'm probably so annoying to watch. I don't care. I just started getting watery. This whole time I lasted without watering at all. I wasn't even gonna say anything as not to jinx it, and now. Okay, I'm just gonna cut these up really fast so I can get through it because my eyes are like burning. Oh my gosh, this is so much. Just such an emotional dish to make. Half of it is diced and half of it is just sliced. Since it's just Nick and I don't think I need this other onion. We're going to saute this with the frozen vegetables. These are the frozen vegetables I'm gonna use. It's just some peas and carrots. You can use whatever vegetables you want. Okay, this looks like it's pretty much heated up. So far, so good. I'm just gonna saute these for 3 minutes until they are translucent. I have some baby bella mushrooms and 2 zucchini, but I think I'm only gonna need 1. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop this up as this is cooking behind me. Feel free to chop these up however you want, but my preferred way of doing it for hibachi is just cutting it down the middle like this and cutting them into like, I guess 1 to 2 inch piece like sticks. I'll show you. So I cut them into these, and I'll probably cut this in half because this is a little large and in charge. So they're like French fries, kinda. They're little pieces like this. This is just how they did it at Konki, the place I fell in love with hibachi. Yeah, 1 zucchini is definitely enough. That's pretty much all we need. Cut up some baby bella mushrooms. This is done. We're gonna move all of the vegetables to one side of the pan. And I'm gonna crack an egg directly in the pan like I'm at a hibachi style restaurant. Bam. And you're just gonna basically scramble the egg. Lovely. Great, now put that to the side. And I'm gonna put a little more avocado oil in the pan. I'm gonna cut these up after because I have to put the rice in. But I cooked some rice earlier, just some white rice. You do not wanna cook the rice right before you do this because it will not work. Cooked rice does not fry well. It's like a mound of rice. Now I'm gonna cut up some of these mushrooms while simultaneously making the rice. Mushrooms are so easy to cut. It's like cutting into like air, basically. Recipes like this, I really like that you can control the amount of oil and butter and salt and stuff like that. Like you really just can control how much you wanna put in. I'm gonna slice this chicken and then I'm gonna start putting soy sauce in this because then I'm gonna cook the chicken and the vegetables at the same time. I just pat dry my chicken and cut them into little strips like this. Ooh. And then you're gonna cut them into little cubes. Very simple. You're gonna use about 5 to 6 tablespoons, but I usually use a little bit more because I love soy sauce. Oh, snap. And stir everything up, and you're gonna let it cook for an additional minute or 2, just so that all the flavors soak in. This looks so good. I haven't made this in so long, babe. Like, I don't know why. I'm gonna use the same skillet that I used for the rice for the chicken, and I'm gonna cook the vegetables in another pan, but we'll see how this camera works because I don't know if you'll be able to see both. This is done, so I'm gonna put it in a bowl and put it in the microwave to keep it hot. I put it in the oven because I just tried to open up the microwave and forgot about my makeshift camera up here. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up a tablespoon of sesame oil and a tablespoon of avocado oil in both skillets so that we can make the chicken and the vegetables. A little bit of avo. A little bit of sesame. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of butter in with the vegetables, and I'm just gonna leave a tablespoon here, and we're done with the butter. Got this out because I'm gonna need it for lemon juice. Do you guys notice the one thing that's not in this episode right now? That's in every episode, a baking sheet. I didn't need it for this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in. Actually, I'm gonna put the butter in, and then okay, chicken, and we'll go. Okay, and spread it all out. Put the oil in there. Need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, of fresh lemon juice, and about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're gonna go ahead and put the vegetables in. I'm gonna add some soy sauce as well. You can really just eyeball it with the soy sauce. Like, it's really just a preference thing. So we also got this yum yum sauce to put on it. That's literally what it is called. They have this every time I go to any hibachi restaurant. They give you like a little cup of yum yum sauce or white sauce, and then they give you a little cup of ginger. I used to hate ginger. I don't know why, and now I love it. But this is still my favorite, and I just bought a new bottle today. And we're also gonna garnish it with some sesame seeds. These are tuxedo sesame seeds, just because there's black and white ones. I'm already thinking about what I should do for the next episode. You guys are gonna have to help me. I like that whole poll thing. Maybe you guys could just leave something in the comments. I mean, I don't mind doing the poll, but feel free to jump in and let me know what you want. Ooh, these are getting nice and like charred, like they're on a grill. So I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit longer. I want them to be like that. They taste so much better. And the chicken is doing really well too. It's gonna be done fairly soon. It is really driving me insane that I can't see my face right now. I cannot see what I look like on camera, so who knows what this is gonna look like at the end. Like, I don't even... All right, the vegetables are done and perfectly charred. I turned off the heat. So the chicken's basically done. I'm just gonna let it sit here. So here's that rice we made. It's so hot. You assemble the plates however you want. I'm gonna just put a scoop or so of rice just as the base. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. I haven't had hibachi in so long and I've been craving it. Then we're gonna put some vegetables on, zucchini, mushrooms, and onions. I'm gonna put the yum yum sauce in these little bowls like they do when you're at the restaurant. Why is smell-o-vision not a thing yet? Then you're just gonna make it look pretty and fancy with some sesame seeds. Our plates are like bursting at the seams. Actually, I'm gonna give Nick his. This is how I like to use this. I like to dip my fork in it so that the bite that I take is just doused in this sauce. Hibachi is fairly simple, so it's just really about the ingredients you're using. And sesame oil, that is a big key factor ingredient in this. It makes everything taste so much better. I'm gonna go eat this because I literally cannot wait. I'm salivating after that one bite. As always, I'm going to link the recipe in the caption below. I've made this so many times. I put it on my website like years ago, or like last year. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments, and let me know if you make this and if you guys are making the dishes, because I kind of want to see if you guys are trying it out.
I don't know, dude, but this is good.